It's another day, another video. This round we have a box from Zobie. This is a tiny box. Very small and petite. The themes for this month were, I want to say, It, Slither, which I love that movie, and The Curse of La Llorona. From what I understand, there is a signed Funko Pop, so I would assume it would either be from It or Curse of La Llorona, because there's not really the Slither Pop. So let's see what's inside. I feel like I will enjoy this box better than the previous box. I'm confident of that. So because I don't want to spoil the pop, because it's like the creme of this box, I'm gonna kind of just feel around and take the items out. Ooh, I don't like that feeling. I feel a plate of some sort. Okay, so it looks like the first item is kind of a decent Pennywise one, so it's cool. Then well, I'm not a fan of the metal plates, but at least they're using the proper art stuff, so I'm cool with that actually. Art's really nice, so okay. And then the pop. Get all this wrap off of it. Cool. So, I don't really know what the lady's name is. So there was a possible to hit a chase, which of course I did not hit the chase. Shock. What's really sad is I did order 5 of these pops today in hopes of getting the chase, and then I forgot that I ordered this, so, you know. At least I have a cooler signed one, so that's nice. The Funko Pop was signed by Marisol Ramirez. And you did have the possibility of actually hitting the chase, which would have been nice. So, the bloody protector is kind of cool, but I do like the harder shell cases, so I'm probably going to pop that in one of those. I will have to go out and buy one because I've used them up. But anyway, this is actually a pretty cool looking pop anyway as it is, so I'm actually really stoked on this. So this is a great box. I dig it. And yeah, I think the themes for the next Zobie box also look pretty awesome, so I'm pretty stoked on that one. And yeah, that's it. I guess let me know if you're one of those lucky people that actually got a chase. So till next time, guys, keep watching my little videos. Ciao.